Hi, everyone, and welcome to GEOG-INTL A101. My name is Dorn Van Domelen, and I am the professor for this course. We will meet in class at the beginning of the fall semester, but I wanted to give everyone a little bit of a quick tour to the course if you were interested. A lot of this will just go over the syllabus material, and you're free, of course, to look at that syllabus ahead of time, but we will also talk about it in much more detail during class. So let's get started. Of course, we're on the announcement page right now. That's what you are looking at. And please note that if you are taking this course as a Zoom course, this is where you'll find the link. It will be posted here and stay here throughout the course of the semester. I'll post announcements at least every week in this course. Right now, there's just some introductory material. You've, of course, already found the Start Here tab because you're looking at the tour right now. But I wanted to point out that this is where you can take this, look at the syllabus, and then also take the syllabus quiz. And you'll have to take the syllabus quiz if you want to open up the first region module, the North America region module, which is located under the region module tab. So take that quiz after you've looked at the syllabus. The syllabus has information here about the course, its description, and its basic outcomes. There's also a section of faculty information, including my contact information and some other material that I have here. And then there's a whole section on university policies and information that I encourage you to look at as well. The stuff you're probably interested in, though, is under course structure. And that's where you can hear a little bit, read a little bit about the text. You can also examine the course requirements. And you can also find at the very bottom a schedule for the course as well. So those are the things that you'll need as you prepare to take the syllabus quiz, which again, you'll do under Start Here. And then when you've taken the syllabus quiz, you'll be able to go to the region modules and the North America region module will appear. The other ones will appear later. The way I structure this class is that there are a total of 8 region modules, and each region module has 3 days worth of material. They're all organized the same way. Each one has what's called a region exploration, and that is going to require you to take a look at a Google Earth tour of the region. There will also be a region theme, and that region theme is going to come in the form of what is called a story map. And then the final section is what is called region solutions, and for these there are actually 2 videos. There's one on the social sciences, and there's one on solutions as well. I'll explain how this all works in some detail on the first day of class, but just to sort of give you a heads up, you will have to prepare for this information before you actually come to class. And so you'll have to review all this material before you show up. Each region module has an assignment. The first assignment is a Google Earth assignment. And again, I will explain how to do this in class in detail, but you can take a look at it if you'd like to. Each region module, in addition to having this sort of day-by-day material on it, also has something that is called a summary that sort of walks you through what you're supposed to do every day, and then something called module outcomes, what you are supposed to learn during each of these modules. And those outcomes are effectively preparation for the exam. I use them as a review sheet, and all the questions that are written on the exam are based on these outcomes. You can take a look at some exam information by clicking on the exam tab. It will explain to you what the questions are like, where they are drawn from, and there are some sample questions there as well. You can look at the My Grades as well, although there's not a lot of stuff here right now. The first assignment is there and open. It also lists all the other assignments as well, but right now all you can do for each of these is look at the rubric, and the rubric describes how I will be grading each of these. Again, once we get into the assignments and talking about them, I'll explain how this all works, and hopefully you'll feel very confident before you submit anything. In addition to this, there's a course calendar. I'm not going to click on the course calendar because there's not a lot to see there yet, but I do use that Blackboard calendar. And as assignments open up to you, you will be able to see them show up on the calendar to help you keep organized over the course of the semester. that's pretty much all that I wanted to do, just to give you a basic tour. If you take a look under the student resources, you should, below the student resource, under the contact professor, sorry about that, you should be able to find my email address and my phone number. And you are free to send me an email if you have any questions. I won't be on contract during the summer, but I definitely will answer your emails if you have any questions about the course whatsoever. So I look forward to seeing you in August of 2023. And again, maybe I'll cross paths with some of you. Feel free to call or email if you need to. That's all for now. Goodbye.